Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove these add to cart buttons from your WordPress WooCommerce. It is very easy. You just need to install one plugin. So for that, just move your cursor over to plugin and click on add new plugin here. And the plugin which we are going to install is by the name of Elex. You can just search Elex and it will automatically show you a couple of plugins by the name of Elex WooCommerce, and this is the one which we are going to use, Elex WooCommerce catalog mode. So just click on install now. Once it is installed, just click on activate. So here you can see our plugin is successfully installed. Click on settings here. Now here we need to click on catalog mode. Then here you will see the option remove add to cart. So we have to enable it. Now scroll a bit and click on save changes. As you save these changes, just go and open your store, and as soon as you open your store, you will see that add to cart button is successfully removed. And that's how you can do this. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe my YouTube channel. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.